Uy,
He's eating a pan.
the animal control is here.
They're gonna. Those are the nice people that are gonna take the birds.
Just don't make
Oh,
it fall.
they have a box. Mira, Mariosita. Mariosita. She has
Oh,
We need to find his parents.
They're probably.
His parents, we can give him to the
Vet
family.
clinic, and they'll contact wildlife rehabbers.
Oh wow.
We fed him some worms.
No water.
And
you
they'll,
think
once
he will survive?
Yeah, he'll be okay. And once he's old enough, they'll let him go where around here where
His species is.
yeah, where he came from.
He came from inside there.
Yeah, his parents might be inside.
Oh,
Then we could see some birds.
It's true that if we touch it, the moms.
not for birds. For other animals, yeah, not for birds.
They
Oh.
lied to us.
They couldn't find the nest.
Oh, that's fine. All right, I'll take care of them. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, Birdie.
Good job, Helsen. Give me 5. Good job, Kayleen. Give me 5. Good job, everybody.
Finding the birdie.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, good job for
Are you happy, Helsen?
I was looking
you
at
want warm?
How do you feel, Helsen? Helsen.
Okay,
Helsen,
open
say
wide.
something. You feel happy? Aww.
You feel happy.
Kayleen, are you happy?
Yeah, I feel proud.
Now the
You
mom
feel
is-
proud of yourself?
Oh, that's great.
I feel proud of the bird.
Oh, okay. That's good.